My name is Brius van Driel. I chair SMDG, which is a working group that focuses on standardizing data exchange in the shipping industry. I'm not a legal expert, but I think the main concerns when it comes to legal and sharing information is that parties in the industry try to divide the industry so that it benefits them. One of the biggest things that we should focus on is try to communicate between each other, between parties, so to minimize that risk of anti-competitive behavior. And by doing so, by talking to parties across the industry, we also will be able to see where data and data integration will actually allow us to take the industry forward. It is, I think, of vital importance. But we shouldn't only focus on attracting new talent. We should be able to convey the knowledge that we currently have in the industry, its processes, and what our customers think is important data, so that that new talent coming in can combine what we already know with the new technologies that are around in the technology industry. I do not have a magical glass ball that can predict that, but my expectations is that this is not a win versus lose situation. It will be a win-win situation where if we model the data that everybody needs in a correct way and in a way that is understandable for each party, we can all benefit from the advantages of being able to connect in a more agile way. I don't think that technology will make the revolution as it's predicted today. It will be an evolution instead of a revolution, and I think that it's not technologies that are gonna evolutionize. The evolution has to come from within, but we will definitely need help and are already receiving help from new technologies. Things like blockchain, things like AI, they will definitely make our industry a more information exchange industry, but the industry itself will still be about moving goods from A to B in a sustainable way. It might be faster to receive information, but it won't revolutionize. We tend to think of our industry as how we know it in our own environment. I think moving around the world, because the industry also moves around the world, allows us to understand what the other parties in the industry actually mean when they talk about specific data. And I think events like this are an excellent opportunity to start building that bridge and understand what the other party actually means when they give specific requirements or aspirations. The information that I think is valuable to the industry and that I'm trying to get across in events like this is that the data integration relation, connecting systems, connecting business processes, is a different relationship than the commercial relation that a lot of parties have in the industry. And that is something that I think events like this allow me to express that with different stakeholders than I would usually connect to on a day-to-day basis.